Hi, so here's a recording of the tutorial for how you can set up your Edpuzzles to open inside MathXL. So I have both Edpuzzle and MathXL ready right now on my tabs. We start first with the Edpuzzle side. So once you have created your videos, so I'm just going to use for the meantime my orientation video since I have all those questions already for Edpuzzle. So you select the video, the lesson that you would like to be attached to a certain lesson. So let's say, for example, this one. This is the video that I would need to assign. Okay, so click on Assign Video, Assign to a Class. Now, as you can see, I already have a new class that I created. So if you would like, so what you will do is you add a new class. I would suggest you name it as 2022-2023 Algebra 1. Now, the reason behind this is because once you assign to a class, like this one, the moment you hit Assign, this will generate a shareable link. Okay, so that's what will happen. Now, if you haven't created a class, I can definitely go over that very quickly. So let's go back here. Let's go back to my orientation. Okay, so let's say it's this video, assign, and if you haven't assigned, and if you haven't created a new class, so you can add new class. Do not click on any of these LMS, just create a new class, and then you type in here 22-23 Algebra 1, okay? And then make sure that you create a class, so click on that. So as I have mentioned earlier, so once you assign to a new class, it will generate a shareable link. So if you click on this, all right, you have two options, a link, or if you have like, let's say, you have your own website, you can actually embed the Edpuzzle assignment. So what you really need to do is to copy the link. All right, so we set that aside for the meantime. Now we go to MathXL. Right now I am using the Sandbox MathXL account just so it won't show up to my kids. All right, so we do the usual. We create an assignment, create homework. Okay, so let's say this is the 1.1 video. So you can have it there as 1.1 video lesson. Okay, so once you click on next, what you need is simply add, you can add a certain question. Unfortunately for this book, for some reason it did not include the orientation questions, but typically I just add the one with the smiley face. I think it's orientation 1.2. So just for the sake of adding an extra question here, I'll just put this one here. All right. So how do we create the question with the link from Edpuzzle? So we click on Media, and then we have here on the top that says Add My Own Media. And it will pop up this menu here. So we put the title. So what was the video about? So let's say 1.1 variables and expressions. So this is the one that will show up on the kids side. And as you can see here, the URL. So this is where we paste it. So I click on Control V, and we have to choose what type of media it was. So since it is a video, I'm going to select a video. If you scroll down, add external media. Okay, so that's that. And then the next one, you set up your things here. Now, very important, that a video lesson will only open if the previous mastery check has been reached. So to set that prerequisite, we can have it here on access control. So you can change that. So say for example, you have to look for that mastery check. Okay, this mastery check needs to be at, I don't know what percent, 80%, let's say, before this video lesson will open. All right, and then you can set it up like that. Click Assign. Okay, so let's just, I will not put any prerequisites here just so you can view how it looks like. So I will have it assigned. Now remember, the video lesson should be on top of the practice. So let me just move that up there. Okay, so how will this look like on the student side? So if they click on homeworks and tests, if they click on this video, oh, sorry, I clicked the wrong one, my bad. If they go to the video lesson, okay, there's that question, that orientation question that we are required to include, and then here is the other one, this one over here. So if they click on that, they will be prompted to direct. Now, one tip. I have tried this with Chrome and Edge. Once they click on this, it will not load for both Chrome and Edge. So it is important that students use Mozilla Firefox to get the Edpuzzle video. All right. So we just let them open to a new site. Now, in my case, because I am logged onto my Edpuzzle account, it automatically pops up right away. But in the case of the kids, it will ask them to sign in. It will ask for the login for Edpuzzle. So just tell the kids that they have to sign in using their Microsoft account. So they have to scroll down and then sign in to Microsoft. It will ask them for their school email and their usual password. And once that's done, the video lesson will load for them. Okay? So that's how we can include the video Edpuzzles within MathXL.